There, I'm Michael Coleman and I'm here with a few abandoned cars, a Mercedes and a Jaguar 4.2 Sovereign. I absolutely love these cars. The twin tanks, because it used so much fuel, but this one's in bad condition. Back window smashed, the paint, as often with red cars, is awful, flat as anything, but it's still gorgeous inside. We can't really see inside, but it's leather. Look at those lines on the bonnet. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. B-Reg from Guy Salmon. And look, a 220 S automatic. I think that was like an old S-Class. So yeah, I don't think I've ever seen one of these. It's got wings at the back, wing fenders. No interior. Look at that for a steering wheel. Oh my god, it's massive with in a bit as well. God. Oh, it's got white wall tyres. I saw some white wall tyres around the corner. That's probably, yeah, from that. There we are. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Very much appreciated. Thank you.